Alright, I'm back. For some reason, I got booted out of the meeting, so we shall continue from where we left off. I was explaining the possible types of errors that could occur when dealing with biodiversity data sets. And so, so I explained due to completeness. Welcome to those who joined us while I was talking. I was going to completeness. And so with completeness errors, it's where some fields do not have data there. So it's possible to clean the data and add the data that is missing to some of the fields where the data can be found. Then there's an error of bounds. For example, a month has days 1 to 31 depending on each month. But if you now have a date that says 32 December, then you definitely have an error of bounds. So there are different those kind of errors. They also come errors of bounds come through even coordinates as well. Then some errors. The type of data that you have in a column, this one I can give you an example of what I saw on your own data set. There are some columns with an ID which some of you fill in with a species name. Want to see the two letters ID, it should give an indication that it's some sort of number or some sort of combination of number and letters to identify that particular entry against a certain field. So it's an error of data type where you put your text where you're supposed to put numbers, or you put something different from what's supposed to be there. Then data format error. You can have a format error where in terms of date, maybe you provide a format that is not usual or not standard, or rather whatever is in the date field is not corresponding to what is expected. Just to check if we're still together and if you can hear me, because I got booted out. I'm not sure if my sound is still okay. Anyone? In terms of what I've spoken about so far, is there anyone who has feedback on what we said so far? As I bring up myself. All right. So if there's no feedback, there are also consistency errors. And for example, if we are saying for the medical museum collection, earlier clean and the date on it is 2022, that is impossible because earlier clean so those are consistency errors. Or if you say Dorothy Madamba collected a specimen in Russia. That's a consistency error because I've never been to Russia and my collection should give examples of consistency error. Then we have errors in taxonomic errors, something that's been identified wrongly, or something that has a synonyms or something has been entered in the wrong column, but it's pertaining to the taxonomic information. Right. Then currency consistency as well. Is it up? Have you updated really up to exactly what it's supposed to be? So there are many of these errors, and we will go through them on the PDF. see what errors there may be. So geographic errors as well. Where you know your study was in Matopos, but your coordinates are coming up in Ara. So there are those as well. Then there are errors in accuracy of precision. For example, you may have coordinates maybe decimal between up to 2 decimal places, and some up to 5 decimal places. So the accuracy is different. You might want to have something more consistent. So the possible yeah. This is for event data set template. So just to refresh, you may unmute yourself and suggest an answer to this question.